forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Western Canada and parts of the southeast U.S. are ablaze right now with the heat and the drought. And the upper low that went through yesterday pulling some of the smoke in from Western Canada right into our area. But everything is interconnected. The blue, kind of greenish color here, that's upper ridging all through this zone. We've got upper ridging up around Greenland, and then this big upper ridge coming into the southeast U.S. These ridges are hot, they're dry, and in the middle is kind of a reddish color. That's lower pressure, and right in this zone is where we've been flooding for a long time. This pattern's been kind of locked in since February. We had a record snowy February in the plains, record wet February in the plains, and it's been wet here since February too. We had a record warm southeastern February. So everything is bunched up together with ridges here and down here, and in the middle it's been flooding, but now we start to see some progression. Not as much violent weather, not quite as much flooding, still some ridging up here that'll keep the fires going, but we'll get some rain into the southeast, and for the plains and parts of the Midwest, not quite as much rain and violent weather. Smoky sky this evening will drop to 67 by 11 o'clock. No respiratory issues because this smoke is thousands of feet up. Then some increasing clouds. We drop into the 60s tonight. 59 though Crawfordsville and Kokomo, 62 Remington and Lafayette. Tomorrow, some increasing clouds in the morning as what's left of a complex of storms in Wisconsin and northern Illinois drops southward. That may put what we call a gust front through the area. Wind shifts to the north for a little bit. Then it goes back to the southwest early in the morning. A high of 84, but storms by late afternoon and evening with severe weather risk with highs in the 80s over the area with a slight risk of severe weather. Scattered severe wind gusts, damaging wind gusts are possible as two lines of storms come through. Looks like here's that kind of gust front that comes through early in the morning. And then one line of storms comes through, then another comes through, then some low clouds and cool weather Sunday morning. Then the clouds kind of erode during Sunday afternoon, but a coolish day. 72 for the high, some more smoke coming in. Wind strong out of the north and north-northeast. Temperatures may drop a little bit despite all the sun later in the afternoon due to a Lake Erie and Lake Michigan lake breeze front kind of moving off to the southwest. 70 for the high at Flora and Monticello, 67 at Peru, and 72 at Williamsport, and lows down to the 40s early Monday morning. That is Blackberry Winter, typically the last occurrence of widespread mid-40s in the area until September. A 71 Monday, 77 Tuesday, 3 rounds of showers and storms possible Wednesday, Thursday with 80s, then dry and cooler on Friday.
Thank you, Chad. Well, We've got high school sectional golf.